place I made a reservation.
This is a house.
Yes. Please come in.
Why do I feel like this is a setup?
There's no setup here.
Welcome home, sir.
Hey, Mom. How are you, Mom? Oh. Yeah, Mom, yeah.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Afternoon. My dear afternoon.
Mom, this is the lady I told you about, Franca.
Okay.
And this is her daughter, Peace. Yeah, Franca, this is my mom.
Wow. She's everything you talked about.
Your mom?
Yeah.
This house? What are you talking about?
What I'm trying to say is that I'm not a poor man, Franca. I'm a very rich man from a wealthy home.
They've come.
Let me know if I'm money.
They have come.
They have come again. They have come again. They have come again.
That Franca is here to see him. It's very urgent, please.
Madam, call him for phone.
I don't have his number, please. Let me tell him. I don't have his number.
Oga don't sleep. Oga don't sleep, oh.
No, he can't be asleep. This is a matter of life and death.
Oga don't sleep since.
Kelvin!
Hey, time don't go.
Kelvin!
Wait, madam. I will pass it there. Police for you.
Don't you get it? It's a matter of life and death. Kelvin! Kelvin. Kelvin, please, I need your help. Please, our daughter is dying. She's very sick and I need money to take her to the hospital. I don't have anywhere else to go to. That's why I had to come to you, please.
Franca, did you lose your mind? Are you stupid? Why in the world would I help you? Why should I give you my money?
Kelvin, I know you don't like me. I know you don't want to have anything to do with me, but please, I don't want our daughter to die. Please, I beg you.
She's not my daughter. She's not. And you will not force me to take care of a child that is not mine. Did you hear me?
Kelvin, please, if I don't take her to the hospital today, I don't know what might happen to her. Please, I beg you.
Get yourself out from my house right now and never you come back here.
No, please, I beg you. I don't want my daughter to
Ahmed, if I ever see this girl around this compound again, I will sack you.
Kelvin, please! Leave me alone!
Hey, this is going to keep you. Hey.
My daughter is going to die. You know, my daughter is going to die.
That is so we are going to be like, they can open for you. I don't no, they only go around. They go arrest you.
Kelvin!
Oh my God. Peace. Peace. Baby. Peace. Baby, mommy's here. Mommy's here. Peace, are you okay? Peace. Peace. Peace, wake up. Peace. Baby, are you okay? Peace. Help! Somebody help! Peace. Help! Somebody! Jesus Christ. Peace. Baby. Jesus. Baby, wake up. Mommy's here. Peace. Somebody help me, please. My daughter is dying. Help!
Jesus, please wake up! Please wake up! Mom is here! Help! Help me, please! Somebody help me! My daughter is dying! Please help
Wait, hey.
Baby, wake up!
Hey.
Please help me. My daughter, she's been sick. She's dying.
She's sick?
Yes.
But she's been not on the road.
I don't have money. I don't even have money for transport. Please help me.
Okay, so right now money is the issue, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, fine. Let me can you just wait here? Let me look for a taxi or something, okay? Please just settle here. Can I keep this with you?
Please help me.
I'll be right back. Yeah, it's okay. Sorry. I'll be right back.
Please hurry!
I'm coming.
Doctor, how is she?
You can see she's stable now. It's nothing to worry about. You understand? It's just fever, and you know fever is quite among children very well. And after the test we did, I observed that she has mild food poisoning.
Food poisoning? Oh my God, will she be okay?
She's already fine. Look, don't get yourself worried. You understand? There's nothing to worry about. She's fine. After we've administered the treatment to her, you can see that she's responding to treatment very well. Look at that way she's breathing.
My poor baby. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Probably should be discharged by me because she's good now. Do you understand?
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, doctor, please. I would like to talk to you for a minute.
Okay, no problem.
Yes. The bills.
Yeah.
For the medication and the complete treatment.
Yeah.
Everything is here.
I wrote everything there.
Okay. Can you do any discount for us?
I'm sorry, I can't do that. Everything has a process. This is a hospital. I can't do that.
Yes, please. I want to do the transfer, the whole money. It's the last money on me. But please, I just don't want them to know that I made the complete payment.
Okay, that's not a problem. Just go and pay. I will do the rest. Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, hello.
What are you doing here? I didn't know you stayed around.
No, I just needed somewhere to stay, so I found here a bit convenient. I just thought I settle here.
Somewhere to settle.
Yes.
I don't understand. Does it mean you don't have a place to stay?
No, I just moved into Lagos.
Oh.
And the money I was saving to get a small place to stay, I spent in the hospital.
What?
But it's okay. I'll figure myself out.
Why? Why would you spend your last card on us?
I spent it on your daughter. She was dying and I needed to save her life. I would rather not rest my head than watch that little girl die when I could have helped.
You're so kind.
It's okay.
You know what? Why don't we go to my place? You can just stay there for a while until you can sort yourself out.
It's a kind gesture,
But you stay with your daughter, it will be inconvenient.
No, it doesn't matter. You helped me, so it's my turn to help you now. I won't be able to sleep if I know that you're still out here. Besides, it's going to get dark pretty soon, and you don't want to know the kind of area boys we have around here. It's not safe for you. Plus mosquitoes. Just follow me. Let's go.
Okay, I'll only stay tonight. Twice. Tomorrow I'll
fine.
figure myself out.
That's fine. Let's just go, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you once again for your help.
It's okay. So what I could do, I did. How is she now?
So we're here. This is where I stay.
Yeah.
I know it's small, but we can manage. Come in. Come. What is it?
Let me just stay here.
Okay, why?
Yeah.
You just want to relax here for a bit?
Can I sit?
Yeah, please go ahead. Sit.
It's just that I don't want you to feel indebted to me for helping you. I did because I could, and I might not have a place to stay, and I'm probably new in Lagos, but I can find my way around. I honestly can.
But we're already here. Look, I won't forgive myself if I have a place here, a roof over my head, and I do not let you in. I can't let you stay out there, please. Just stay.
You have a daughter, and this is a one-bedroom space. It would definitely be inconveniencing.
Look, I'm not complaining. You're not inconveniencing me in anything. If for anything, you actually saved my daughter's life. So just allow me help you, okay? With time, I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out and sort yourself out and get a better place for yourself. But for now, please don't say no to my help. Please.
I won't stay for too long.
It's fine. Let's just go inside. Okay? Let me help you.
Let me just I'll go outside for you to change.
No, it's fine. Just turn around. I will be quick.
No, it's okay. Let me just wait outside.
There'll be no need for that. It's not like there is anything you're going to see. So just turn around.
Hey, Peace.
Brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. My mom told me that you saved my life. Thank you and God bless you. Anything you're looking for, God will give to you.
Oh, she said that. Well, I did my little best.
How small?
This small.
Thank you. My mom said you're my savior.
You're welcome. I think you also save mommy's life all the time. Because you make her happy. Do you want to join me? Okay. Come on. So tell me, what do you know about your neighborhood?
Mona, you awake?
Franca,
Good morning.
you fry akara?
Yes, I do.
Are you serious?
Yes, I fry and hawk akara every morning, but I haven't been doing so because I didn't have money to buy beans and ingredients.
Okay, let me help.
You want to help?
Yeah, of course.
Please, please. This is not the place you help. You don't know
Okay.
anything about frying akara. Trust
There
me.
you go, judging me. But what if I do it better than you?
In your dreams.
Okay, let me try this.
What do you know you want
Hey,
to
give me.
Smoke is getting into my eye.
Don't worry.
What? Wait, sorry, how did you know? Who thought you?
There you go.
How did you know this?
Street boy, village boy with some education, master of everything.
Wow. I'm actually surprised.
Before it gets bored.
Yes. I'm surprised you know how to do this.
Buy akara.
Oh my goodness. Stop.
Buy your bread and akara. You have to sing. When you sing, they come and buy the akara. Buy akara.
I'm ashamed on your behalf.
Buy your bread and akara.
Buy akara.
Soft bread, oh.
Buy your bread and akara.
Soft akara, oh.
Hot akara dey here.
Hot akara, big one and small one, oh. No, say the people on the street, huh?
Yes.
Go there now.
We'll sing it.
See that guy, he looks hungry. Let's sing.
Buy your hot akara.
Buy akara, oh.
I honestly can't believe how experienced you are with this. I'm impressed.
Well, you can call me the Akara boy. Moving forward, officially. I need an
Akara
ID
boy
card.
and Akara girl. Stop it. But really though, thank you. You know, if not for you, I would have been struggling all day to sell this. But look at the time, and we literally sold everything.
Well, you know what they say, 2 heads are better than 1. And it's my little way of saying thank you for putting a roof over my small head.
Nah, you've done more than enough.
You're welcome. Yeah, can I ask you the 2 questions
Okay.
about peace?
Okay.
What about her father? Where is he?
He abandoned us. No, he rejected her. You know, I don't want to talk about it, please.
I don't get it. How can a man abandon you and that beautiful daughter? intelligent. Like, how? Leaving you guys to suffer?
I'd rather not talk about it.
It's okay. Well, just so you know, you are an amazing mother and you are doing such an incredible job with Peace.
Thank you. I think we should... I need to start going. I want to make food for Peace.
Let's eat this one first. Hey, Franca.
Come to bed. It's late already.
I'll come. I just want to give you and Peace some time, at least if she sleeps.
It's fine. She's already asleep. I won't be comfortable knowing you're out here. Please come to bed. Please.
I'll join you soon. I just need a little time.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Should I help out?
No. I'm fine.
You're good.
Yes, I'm good.
Thank you.
I wanted to talk to you about something.
Okay, what is it?
So, I've been thinking, you know, I want to go and hustle, you know, look for a good job, something real, something that can take us from this point to another, you know.
A good job?
Yes.
I thought you said you don't know anyone around here, so how are you supposed to get a job?
Yes, I don't know people, but I don't mind the hustle, you know, it's worth it. I just need us to be able to do something other than this. We can't do this forever.
Well,
besides, I want to help.
I completely understand. I know it's not easy for a man to stay idle. So if that's what you want, I pray you get one soon.
Thank you. Besides, you've done everything for me. From feeding me to housing me, even the water I drink.
I'm not complaining.
I'm complaining. I really want to be able to play my own part. But I hope it works out.
I hope so too.
But I'm going to still help out today. Say first.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you need anything, just let me know.
Okay. I'll just hurry up so that we can go.
Can you?
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Let me just finish. I'm almost done, eh?
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Peace. How are you? Franca, I just came back to get something and head back to the park.
Okay.
What? Why is Peace at home?
She dropped out of school. I couldn't pay her fees, so they chased her out.
She dropped out of school.
Yes. Like I said, I don't have any money to pay her school fees, and at this point, I don't even know when she's going to go back to school because I'm very broke.
But it's unacceptable. She cannot be home playing with sand. How many times in school learning?
You think I don't know that? Or you think I'm happy that she's home? I don't have any money. What am I supposed to do?
Look, I will do something about this, okay? It's unacceptable. I cannot allow her to stay at home.
You don't even have a good job. Where do you want to start from?
It doesn't matter. I have to figure out something. She cannot stay at home. How many times in school trying to become the future leaders of the country and she's here playing with sand? So she'll be what? Bricklayer? No. I have to do something about it, okay? Let me pick what I came to pick and head back.
Thank you.
But you're okay, right?
I'm okay.
Yes. Hi. Hey, Peace.
Good afternoon, brother.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You went to school today?
Yes, and we learned how to draw.
Oh, you learned how to draw. That's interesting. Will you show me? Yeah, I want to see it.
Yes, and I want you to also give us an assignment too.
Assignment? Okay, I'd like to see everything.
Yes, I will.
Okay. I'm glad you went to school. Oh, butterfly.
Yes.
You drew it yourself?
I can
You can sing. You can sing. Sing. Oh, yeah, sing for me. I'll touch you something. Sing. You can sing.
I can sing.
Food will soon be ready.
You know, I thought you were joking when you said you were cooking.
No, why would I be joking? Look, my late mother taught me how to cook. And believe you me when I say that this would be one of the best meals you have ever tasted. Can you smell it?
Oh, please stop boasting already.
I can't wait to eat.
That's my girl.
Yeah.
Follow the smell while I bring the food, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
You eat soon, okay? Now sing. Sing! You don't want to sing, Abby. Sing.
Sorry. Hey, I think this should be yours.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it fell off after you made payments.
Oh my gosh. You're God sent. You're heaven sent. You just saved my life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, well, I'm glad I could help. Everything should be inside.
Yeah, everything is intact. Thank you so much.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah, take care. Thanks again. Hi. Wait.
Oh.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very well. You're the guy from the supermarket, right?
Yeah. Hi.
Wow. I'm sorry. My name is Jenny.
Muna.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mona.
Yeah.
So where you headed? Why you just walking all around like that? So where you headed to? Do you have a car?
I don't have a car. I just use my money to buy things in the supermarket, so I work it out.
You don't have a car. Something. In this hot sun. You know what? Just hop in.
It's okay. I'll be fine. It's not far.
No. Come on. I know you say it's okay, but just I insist. Come in.
All right.
Hey, Mona.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Finally.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't get a chance to say thank you so much last time.
No, thank you for giving me a lift.
Oh, that's okay. My pleasure.
Well, I am very close to my stop.
Oh,
You can just stop anywhere around. It's okay.
Oh, okay. Wait. Yeah, stop here. So you stay here?
No, I stay around, but I can walk.
No, I can drive you.
It's okay. I can walk. I can walk down.
You're sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Besides, it's not gonna be easy for you to maneuver the roads there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Let me just get your number there so I can get to know you. Okay.
All right. There you go.
Okay.
All right. You have a nice day.
Okay.
And drive safely, please.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Bye.
Take care.
Why are you carrying this heavy bucket? Wait, let me help you. Hey.
Just help me. Just help me.
It's okay.
Just help me. Just help me.
Sorry. Hope you didn't get wet.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
No, it's okay. It's just small stuff. It's okay. Well, it's too heavy. I shouldn't be carrying this kind of thing on your head.
I'll just go inside. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll bring this in.
Hey, girl. Hey. Hi.
When did you get here?
Girl, what's on your mind? I've been ringing the bell for over 10 minutes.
Man, it's just been a lot in my head lately. I'm just so sorry.
Okay.
I didn't know you were going to be coming this early.
This early? I thought I'll be here by 5 p.m. It's 5 p.m. already.
5? Wow! 5 p.m. And I didn't even realize that. I'm so sorry.
Babe, clearly there's something on your mind. I mean, you've been acting distant lately. What is it? Boy stress? Work stress? Don't tell me it's your ex again. Okay.
There's this new guy that I just met. I met the other day.
Boy stress then.
Look.
Okay. Tell me about it. Okay. Is it rich at least? Handsome? Tall? Give me the gist.
Big, relax. It's not even all about that. It's not about a man being rich, handsome. Look, he's really, really cute. I mean, it's really cute.
Okay.
And it's just one thing about this guy that is kind of off. It's just that he's poor. He's not rich. But, babe, trust me, you know I have money now. I can take care of the both of us. Like, I can. I'm okay with it. I'm Gucci with both of us like that.
What is wrong with you? It's poor.
Babe,
what are you doing with a poor guy? I mean, look at you. What can a poor guy possibly do with you? Poor guy? You don't need a poor guy.
Really?
How is he going to take care of you?
Really?
Babe, you need a classic guy. You need a guy that has prestige. A guy that when you move, people will be like, whoa, who is that guy? Not a poor guy. Come on now. Really?
You need to understand I'm tired. I'm tired of this class here and there. I'm tired of classy men. Come on, I need something different. You know what classy men do? They disrespect you. Oh, they don't respect you. They don't value you. They treat you like shit. Absolute shit. And that's where you want me to keep staying? No, I'm not. I just need something different. Look, I need a man, an honest and decent man that would love me for me, that would respect me. That's all I want.
Babe, I don't think you're serious for real.
I'm dead serious. That's what I want for myself.
Listen, there are good rich guys out there. Go to where there's wealth and fall in love there. Please. I mean, if you want to fall in love, go to where money is and fall in love now. Forget poor guy. What are you doing with a poor guy?
Stop this your talk, I beg. Is what I want.
Very nice of you.
Okay?
No, you take it.
No, it's okay. Take it.
No, take it.
No, I'm serious. Have it. You can have it. It's very small. It's okay.
Take it.
I'm watching my weight now. I don't want
I'm watching my height. I don't want meat. The meat is small, so take it. Eat it.
Do you need help?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, are you okay?
Just a small bun.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
You didn't burn you? Huh? It's better now.
Had our highs, we had our lows. You're the one my spirit knows. Could've walked, could've let go, but I held on, never closed that door. They don't know the things we've been through, but every storm just brought me close to you. No second guessing, no regret. You're the best decision I ever made. I chose you.
What? No, you don't have to.
No, it's okay.
No, don't worry. I
It's
insist.
okay. I just saw that the clothes were dry. I thought I'd arrange them.
Don't worry. I'll do it myself.
I can still help out.
It's fine.
Yeah.
You know you're very nice and sweet.
You are nice and sweet too.
Thank you. Is that right?
Yeah. Oh, the neck is still big.
Every fight made us strong. Every silence felt so wrong. But somehow love led us on.
Mona, your phone has been ringing non-stop. Who's calling you at this time of the night?
Sorry. It's a friend.
It's a lady, right?
Yeah. Jenny. I met her in the supermarket. She misplaced her wallet and I helped her find it. We became friends afterwards.
Is that why she's calling you at this ungodly hour? Come on now, she should know that people sleep.
Is there any problem?
What do you mean, is there any problem? Somebody is calling you at this time of the night. You say the person is just friends with you. So why are they calling you at this time of the night?
Okay. I see you're jealous.
Jealous?
Yeah, it's written all over your face.
No, I'm not jealous. You just don't understand that this is wrong. For crying out loud, you stay with me and my daughter. You shouldn't be doing this now. We should make these things clear, I beg.
Yeah, I get you. I'm sorry about it. It won't happen again, okay? Let me just go outside and call her back.
You?
Hey, Jenny. How are you? Sorry, I was sleeping. What are you doing? Are you serious? Okay, no, it's okay. You can call me. You're my friend now. Yeah, hello. I can see you. Yeah, I'm just walking down towards you now. Hey, okay. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Well, was it hard finding?
No, it wasn't hard. You know, I had to ask people around to show me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm
sorry
here now.
Left you under the sun.
Yeah, it's okay. And how are you? How about you?
I'm good. Fine. I would have invited you inside, but
come on, that's fine. You know, I just got here and everything is fine. I'm good. Great. I've been talking to you for a while now, so I'm good with anything you want. Right. I'm okay, yes.
So how was work?
Yeah, work has been fine. Work has been okay. How are you? Talk to me. How are you? How have you been?
Well, good. I'm good. It's just
what?
It's nice seeing you again.
Oh, nice seeing you too.
Good morning, Franca. Franca, I'm greeting you. Franca, are you ignoring me? Franca. Did I... Let me just brush over here. Are you really ignoring me? Did I do anything wrong? Franca, can I talk to you at least?
I'm busy.
Franca, what have I done? I've done something, tell me now. Huh? You've been avoiding me since.
I said I'm busy now.
Wait. You've been avoiding me since. You're frowning at me. You don't want to look me in the face. Look, I'm here. You can't even look me in the face. As I'm talking to you, look, you're looking here or looking there. You can't look me in the face. You've been frowning at me. You've been upset. You've been moody around me. What have I done? If I've done something wrong, tell me. Let me make it right.
You can't do anything to make it right. Mona, can't you see? How else am I supposed to give you green light? Haven't I cared for you enough? I beg, just leave me alone.
You've cared for me, but I don't understand what you're saying. What do you mean?
I love you! Mona, I freaking love you, and I don't know how else to show you. You pretend like you don't see how I feel about you. Instead, you're gallivanting, smiling every time she comes to see you. You're making friends with another woman, cackling and giggling as if something is funny.
Franca, how am I supposed to know that you love me? You never told me anything. And just to clear the record, okay? She's just a friend. It was nothing more than friends. Me and her are just friends.
She's just a friend?
Yes.
So why does she come to look for you every day?
Friendly visit.
And what exactly are you people smiling about? Cackling and giggling like something is funny.
You're just jealous.
Leave me alone.
Franca. If you don't tell me how you feel about me, how will I know? I'm not a spirit. Huh? And I am sorry that I did not see this sooner. Is that why you've been moody?
It's all your fault.
I agree it's my fault. Come here. I'm sorry. I should have noticed. Why am I so stupid?
You are stupid, actually.
I know. Franca. Morning.
Good morning.
Let
So
me
you
help
are
with
awake
this.
this early?
Yes. We have, some people want to charter the bus for Ibadan trip. So I need to get there on time. Then I will now go to the construction site.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I know you're working this hard because of me. I'm
It's
so
okay.
sorry.
Mine must survive.
Thank you.
Where's the oil? Okay.
Nobody can take you away from me. Nobody.
Franca. This is why you came to look for me here.
I brought you food. I thought you might be hungry.
I'm actually hungry. I just said let me take a little break.
Yeah, how is work going now?
It's fine. It's fine. Thank you. Won't you join me?
Well, this one is for
No. Sit down. No. We're eating together.
It's for you.
We'll eat it together. I was working, I just got so tired. I said, let me take a breather.
I can imagine. Sorry.
Yes.
Should I open for you?
Yeah, you can have this one. Yeah. How do you know I like this one?
You like it, don't worry. It's the type of
Thank
stew
you.
like.
Thank you.
I'm always
I was so hungry. I was just thinking of how I would go and get food now.
Sorry.
Try it. You
I've
like
already
This is so thoughtful of you. Do you know I've been so hungry?
You're hot, right?
Very hot. Weather is so hot.
Sorry. It hasn't rained in weeks.
Hmm.
I wonder why.
Anyway, we go manage now.
What can we do? We have to manage.
Are you sure you don't want me to help you? Because every time I want to lend a upper hand, you just say no.
No, I don't want you to help. You're always willing to lend a helping hand. I'm fine.
Maybe it's because I want to be close to you. I enjoy being close to you. You bring me peace.
But you're already close to me.
Well,
when I finish washing, I'll come and fan you.
No, don't worry. Your hands need to rest. I can fan you instead.
You're not taking that?
It's nobody important.
Okay. Pass the ball. Come on. Pass it. Yes. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, babe. You're back. What's up? What is it? Babe, talk to me now. What's wrong?
You know that Mona guy. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? He has been ignoring my calls because... Okay, I just found out why he has been ignoring my calls.
Babe, calm down. Okay? Now tell me what happened.
Look. Mona has been sleeping with a riffraff. With one good-for-nothing looking girl called Franca. In one stupid-ass trenches. Can you imagine that? Oh, God. I don't care.
Well, babe, I warned you about him, didn't I?
I told you to go for someone on your league, but no. You went for a poor guy. These guys will stain your white. They will embarrass you. Now look at yourself.
I am not backing down. I am not backing down. I am not letting him go.
Really?
I'm going to fight for him. No, I really want him. I will fight for him.
Wait, hold on. So you're going to fight a local girl because of a poor guy? For real? For real?
For real, yes, I will. No, I am not backing down. I'm not Jenny. I'm gonna fight for this guy. Look, I am crying. I am sad because I know I will get him. She better be ready for me. If I watch and see, I'll get him.
Girl, are you for real?
I'll get him.
Is this girl serious? Okay, this is madness.
Jenny, I know you. I know how you get when you're angry or feel defeated. But can you just let this one go? It's clear this guy isn't for you. Trust me, baby, it's not even worth the stress.
Thank God. Thank God you know me. Thank God you know that whenever I put my mind into something, I will get it. Thank God you know it's not easy for me backing down. I don't just back down easily, and you know that. And it's not even about Mona. It's about the fact that he ended up with it's following a girl that is not even in my class. But then again, I don't care. I'm not gonna back down. See, have you seen this guy? Have you seen how he looks? Look, cute. His cuteness does not even cut it for me. He's the man I want, and I will get him.
Yes, I get it. Okay? It's cute. He's your type. I get it. But babe, what if he loves this other woman? Huh? Don't you think it's already too late? Huh?
I don't care. Franca.
Yes? Who are you?
Well, my name is Jenny, and I am Mona's girlfriend.
Mona's girlfriend?
Mm-hmm. Mona's girlfriend.
Ah, I know who you are.
Good.
The lady from the supermarket. Your wallet fell off and Mona picked it up for you. How does that transmit to you being his girlfriend?
Well, I think you might want to get your facts right, okay? I and Mona are dating, and we've been seeing each other for a while now.
Good for you. How can I help you?
Anyway, I'm not here to argue with you.
Who's arguing with you?
Listen, I'm here to offer you cash. 50 million naira for you to stay the hell away from Mona. Look at you. You look miserable. You sell bean cake by the roadside.
Rich girl energy. I love it. You think 15 million naira can buy my love? Huh? That's the thing with you rich folks. You think you can buy everything and anybody with money. You want to buy my love with 15 million naira. Even if you give me 150 million naira, I will not do your bidding.
I can see you have mouth. let's not argue too much. Let's say 30 million naira. Would that be enough?
Are you deaf?
Do you want me to double it?
Are you insane?
Okay.
What exactly do you take me for? Madam Cash Money. Take your money, go out there, look for a man you can buy with all that money since you have a lot of it. Mona is off your limits.
Mona is mine. And you will stay the hell away from Mona.
And what
You
if I
hear me?
don't?
Okay. Here, my card.
Get out.
Call me and let me know whenever you realize that Mona is not for you.
Will you get out of this place before I pour bean cake water on your body?
Trust me, you'll regret this. You'll regret this, I promise you. Bye, Franca.
It's the audacity for me. You have the guts to come here to offer me money. You open your gutter mouth to offer me money. I don't blame you. Let me see you in this compound again. Ochakomaka.
Hey!
You
Come
again?
here. You again what? So you think you won? You think you have won because you're sleeping with Mona in this filthy ass looking corner.
Well,
Is
this
that it?
filthy ass looking color, like you call it, is cleaner than your heart.
Really?
Yes, really. Yes, it is.
Oh God, wait a second. You shameless looking, wretched, stinking ass girl that came from the gutter. You want to take my spot away from me. You gave birth to a child out of wedlock, didn't you? Eh? And you think you have something to offer. My darling, you have nothing to offer. You're just pathetic.
And what about you? Aren't you shameless? Rich and stupid. You go about thinking you can buy everybody with your stinking money, right? Huh? Well, I am not one of the people you can buy with your money.
Shut up.
Oh, you shut it. What are you doing here?
Oh. You have mouth. I love it. You have big mouth. And this big mouth of... Wait, 1 sec. You think it loves you? You think Mona loves you? Oh, my darling, it doesn't love you. Look, you're just a charity case, my darling.
Well,
And the earlier you know this, the better for you.
I agree. I know I'm poor. But I have something that you can never have, even if you have all the money in the world.
And what is it?
Mona. He can never and will never be yours.
Mona is mine.
He's not yours.
He is mine.
Let this be the last time I see your feet here.
He is mine. And you would... What would you do? I dare you. I dare you.
Go ahead and see if I will not kill you and bury you here.
This is
Try
not
it.
Tony.
You regret this. You should get out.
I promise
The
you.
next time you come
You
here,
regret
I promise
this.
you will leave with a
You
strong eye.
regret
Get
this.
out.
Stupid as cheap as...
Come on, get out.
Get out. Nonsense.
Yeah. What's this? Idiot. Come back here next time and see. Coward. You're here again to insult me? You know, at this point, I'm beginning to think you're obsessed with me.
Wait, permit me to laugh. Wait, obsessed with you.
Obviously.
Look at you. You're the cheapest looking thing. Me, obsessed with you. You're trying to tie a man down with your stupid ass bastard child.
Hey. This should be the first and last time I hear you call my daughter a bastard. Insult me all you want, but keep my daughter's name out of your bloody mouth.
And what the hell would you do?
Don't try me.
Tell me.
Do not test me.
Oh, you're going to point me.
God, I will forget this your lashes, this your fake lashes and fake hair. I will show the whole world your true color.
Oh, you're going to pour me oil.
Don't try
Or
me.
what?
Don't
Wait,
test me.
Hold on. Oh, akara. You pour me akara. Is that what you're going to do? Look, I just pity Mona. And I feel so pity for you because the only thing I'm seeing here is that it pities you so much. And you think it loves you.
You should feel pity for your miserable self.
Oh,
Look
poor
at you.
thing.
You're gone.
Poor thing.
Obsessing over a man who does not care about you. Please get out of my sight.
You're so poor. Hey, I pity you.
Pity yourself. Get out of this place.
Mona would have been so. Look at you. I don't even have time to be here.
Auntie, get out, Jare, and stop speaking English that you cannot speak. Get out.
I will teach you a lesson.
I'll be waiting.
Listen.
You can enjoy the stupid ass compound that you have here. But guess what? When I go back and come back here,
What would you do?
I'll come back with fire.
Make sure you come back with brimstone.
Watch me.
Thunder, lightning. I'm not scared of you. Get out!
Watch me. Stupid
Your
ass
two
thing.
left legs. Idiot. Why, what are you looking at? I'm a bore.
Jenny! What? What? Again? Again what? Why are you killing yourself about this guy? You go to the trenches, you fight like a street urchin, you come home and then cry your eyes out. What is it? Is this to draw or what? Look, it's that time you let go. Let go. Let go, really. No, don't tell me to let go. Mona is mine. Either that stupid low-life girl likes it or not. He is mine. Guess what? Guess what happened today? Do you know what that low-life did to me? She insulted the daylight out of me. She called me names that I've never heard in my entire life before. Do you know what that... See, I'm not backing down. I am not going to back down. Mona is mine. So you want to keep fighting? Is that it? Jenny, you have to let go. It's about time. Please. No, you know me. You know me. Nobody does this and I would not walk away from this though. Mona is mine. I'm not walking away from this. So I want to keep fighting. I will fight for him. I will fight for him. Is this girl possessed or what? My man. What is this? This is madness.
Franca, are you okay?
You better warn your girlfriend though. Warn her, because the next time she comes to insult me, I will not only insult her back, I will send boys to beat her up.
Okay, calm down, okay? I've already told her, and I've told her times without number. I have nothing to do with her. I don't want her.
Maybe
It is you I want.
You were not loud enough. Because I don't understand the audacity she has to come here and insult me again. Threatening me. She still thinks she stands a chance with you.
Well, I think you're loud enough for two of us. I don't need to bring myself that low to start telling her she's not for me, I'm not for her. Babe, it's you I love.
You need to make it clear to her.
Look, it is you I love and not her, okay? Come here.
I just wanted you to say that.
I like when you bring the fire in you. It's like frying akara. Always tastes good at the end.
When the world turns cold and you lose your way, when the night feels longer than the break of day, if your faith gets shaken and you can't hold on, I'll be the light you need.
Mona.
Yeah.
What's that?
Well, open and see.
What is this? Where is it from?
Well, I bought it so I could use it to ask you out on a date.
Goodness gracious.
I hope you like it.
This is very expensive. Where did you get the money from?
I saved up money. I just want us to go on a date, just you and I.
You bought all this for me. Yeah. Honestly, I don't know what to say. Thank you. This means a lot to me.
Well, I would rather go hungry than miss out on the opportunity to see you smile.
Thank you so much. This is beautiful.
I can't wait to see it on you.
I love it. Wow.
So, you're wearing it out tomorrow?
Mm-hmm. I will. Anything for you. I love them.
This looks very expensive.
I'm glad you like it. Can't wait to see you on.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I made a reservation.
This is a house.
Yes. Please come in.
Why do I feel like this is a setup?
There's no setup here. Welcome home, sir. Hey, Mom. How are you, Mom? Oh. Yeah, Mom. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Yeah.
Afternoon.
Good.
My dear afternoon.
Mom, this is the lady I told you about, Franca.
Okay.
And this is her daughter, Peace. Yeah, Franca, this is my mom.
Wow. She's everything you talked about.
Your mom?
Yeah.
This house? What are you talking about?
What I'm trying to say is that I'm not a poor man, Franca. I'm a very rich man from a wealthy home.
Babe?
Are you okay?
I'm alright. Babe, remember the $25,000 I asked you for that Birkin bag?
Yeah, I remember.
Well, all my friends are getting theirs. Why are you holding up?
Babe, I just gave you about 50 million naira some days ago. And I was thinking that you would allow some days or weeks to pass before asking for more money.
Babe, seriously? Do you even love me at all? Am I your girlfriend? Because if you do, I don't think spending on me will be a problem.
Okay, fine. I don't want you to be upset. I will do it.
Thank you. That's my baby.
So, are you going to focus on your phone now?
Come on, babe, relax. Let me just reply to this message, huh? I'll create time for you soon, okay? Nice. I think I like this one better. What is
I kept
it?
money in my drawer upstairs. Where is it?
Babe, relax. I took it. I needed it for something important.
You took money from my room upstairs without telling me? What is wrong with you? That money was meant for something important.
Important?
Yes!
Babe, how much did I even take that's making you back like this? Gosh, Muna, I'm your girlfriend.
How much
right?
did you even take? How much did you even take? Without even asking me, just help yourself. Is that right?
Babe, your money is supposed to be my money, right? So, hold on. Don't tell me you're getting angry because I took, what, some change? Really? You know what? I'm just going to leave you and your money alone.
Wait. Take me. I'm sorry, okay? It's just that the money was meant for something important. I had already had plans for it.
Something more important than me?
No. I just thought you should have at least told me first. I'm sorry. You know my money is your money, but it's just that I had plans. I had plans for the money.
It's okay. But next time, don't yell at me like that.
Hey, I won't. My money is your money, okay?
As it should be. Hey.
Hey, baby.
Look at this.
Who's that?
They're having a beauty masterclass
with international makeup artists.
Okay.
And guess what?
What?
The ticket is just $50,000 for VIP. Very cheap, right? Baby, you know I've always wanted to own my own beauty brand.
Yeah. But don't you think $50,000 is too expensive? That's about 90 million naira. You know what? It's okay. I can call my lawyer. He will get something cheap.
Oh, no.
No, trust me. It will be very
Baby,
good.
you don't have to. I'll do it myself. You don't have to call your lawyer.
Babe, $50,000 for a makeup class is too much. It's too expensive.
Baby, it's not too much. Do you know the makeup artists that are coming? International. I see, not local standard. International brands. Babe, just send me the money. I'm going to do it myself. Moreover, you know you've always wanted me to do something meaningful with my life. Yeah. So just send me the money, please.
Fine. Send me the account number. I'll do a transfer to them.
Oh. No. Babe, send it to me, not to them. I'll do it myself. Okay. Send it to me. And guess what? I registered your name as my sponsor. Because you're my sponsor. Thank you, babe. Let me just go to their website now and do this. Oh, shoot. Not again. Babe, I don't have data. My data is finished.
Yeah, you should be able to resubscribe or something.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, I don't even have access to my mobile app, so...
Babe, I give you money every week. Data should not be your problem. You should be able to attend to your data yourself. It's not everything that you put on my head.
I know, babe, but I can't do that now. Just help me, please. Just 500k. Please, baby.
500k for data. Are you serious now?
I don't like it when you complain all the time. You know I'm a social media influencer. And all this social app exhausts data a lot.
It's okay. It's alright. I'll do it, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Just help me get drinking water, please.
Are you going to do it now?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Thank you. I'll get anything for you. You know I love that. Yeah. Thank you, baby.
You are federal government, no difference. How can you do this to me? After everything I have done for you, how can you be this heartless?
Oh, please, Muna. What have you done for me that your mates haven't done before? Huh? Is it because you give me crumbs?
You call what I do for you crumbs? Everything I've given you crumbs. My time, my money, my trust, crumbs.
Trust? Did you just say trust? Oh my goodness. Whew. You know what? Let me just tell you the truth. Muna, I never loved you. I was only with you because of your money. Your money was keeping my lifestyle and, that was why I stayed with you.
So that was your ATM machine?
Muna, you can't be serious. Look at yourself. Take a proper look at yourself. Who would love a man like you? Guy, you're so pathetic. You're so gullible. You want to hit me?
You know what? You're not pathetic, Jay.
You're so pathetic.
Get out of my house. And I don't want to see you ever in my life again.
Gladly.
Yeah, that is why I acted the way I did. I did that because I wanted to be sure that
They've come. They have come. They have come again. They have come again.
No, there's nobody here.
They have come again. What are you doing here?
Can I just talk to you, please? Okay? Look, I'm sorry for how everything panned out. I'm truly sorry. I never meant to hurt you. I was just trying to protect myself and protect my heart.
Protect yourself by lying and deceiving me and pretending to be poor?
Franca, I needed to be sure that you are real. I needed to be sure that you're not like other girls.
Oh, so I became your lab rat. Do I look like a test object to you?
Come on, Franca. I love you.
You dare. You don't get to tell me that. You don't deceive people and cover it up with love. That's manipulation.
Franca, look,
You know, please just leave. I don't want to hear one more word from you. Go away.
Can I at least have 5 minutes with you?
No,
please?
you can't. I've already given you too much time. You do not deserve 5 seconds. Leave.
Franca, please. Look, I might be anything. You can call me whatever you want to call me, but I can tell you one thing which is real. What you and I share is not fake. It is real.
Was it?
Yes, it is.
Because I don't even know what's real anymore. Is your name even Mona? Mona, you sat there, watched me cry. I suffered. You did nothing. I opened up to you while you were living in a palace, living like a king.
But Franca, I didn't want that life to get in the way.
Well, it already did. You just don't have the balls to admit it. You know what you are? You're a coward, not a man.
Franca.
Get out.
Wait. Franca.
Just don't touch me.
Franca, come on, Franca.
You're the best decision I ever made. I chose you when the world said walk away. I chose you. Even on our hardest days.
Don't tell me you're still gushing over that guy. I'm just, I don't know, I'm just calm for now. I'm looking for something stronger.
And trust me, it's not worth it.
Okay?
What? It's not worth it.
Okay.
Well, come to think of it, do you know I don't know what this guy looks like? Do you have a picture?
One sec. Trust me when I say is what it is.
Let me see the guy that is busting my friend's brain.
Hold on. Here. I told you he's what it. What? Talk now.
Wait,
why is your face like that? Yes, talk. That's Mona.
This is Mona.
Yes, it's Mona.
The same Mona.
Oh, Jesus, girl, it's Mona.
What?
Babe, you're scaring me. What? What is it?
Paul?
Why's your face like that? Oh, Jesus, girl.
Babe, this is my ex. Mona, oh my God, this is my ex. This is the guy I've been telling you about. This guy I told you. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Mona!
What did he do? What was the issue?
This is my ex. Remember the guy I told you spoiled me silly?
Yeah.
The guy that pays for all my trip, my bags, my clothes, everything.
Yeah.
This is the guy.
Babe,
this is the guy. This is Muna.
Yeah.
I mean, we only broke up because he caught me in bed with Chidi. But this is the Muna.
Oh.
Wait, let me show you. I think I still have a picture of both of us.
A picture?
I mean, I was dating this guy. Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh.
Look.
This is... Give me.
This is the same person.
Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on. He looks rich here. Wait.
But this guy is rich.
Wait.
This guy is loaded.
If he's rich, why does he act so poor?
It must have a reason. But look, babe, as a friend, let me give you free advice. When it comes to Muna, this same Muna that I know, I advise you back off. Because this guy, this guy is boxed up. This guy is from a wealthy home. Look, when it comes to wealth, trust me, I'm nowhere close to Muna. The same Muna we're talking about. Oh my God. What?
Franca, please. Just hear me out.
Franca, I came all the way here just to beg you on behalf of my son. He truly loves you. He basically locked himself up in the house for days without food, without sleep. Please forgive him. He's sorry.
Mom, it's not like I can't forgive him. It's just that I don't like rich people. I don't want to have anything to do with them.
Why? Nobody likes poverty, my dear.
Well, sometimes it's better to be poor than being trampled upon.
My child, what have they done to you? You can't be talking without experience.
My ex-fiancé was from a rich family. He loved me. Also, I thought. Everything was perfect until I got pregnant. Then he took me to his family to introduce me. And they turned on me. They called me all sorts of names. They said I was a liar. That I was a distraction planning to ruin their son's future. They threw me out like I was trash, knowing fully well I had nowhere to go to.
Oh my goodness.
I was pregnant. I had nowhere to sleep. I had no job. I struggled to give birth to my child. I struggled to give her a good life. I struggled to feed her. I struggled to send her to school. It was that we're still alive today is by God's grace. Then I swore. I promised myself never again with rich people. I fell in love with you, thinking you were poor. Not knowing you were everything I tried to avoid.
I'm so sorry for you went through, my dear. But believe me, my family is not like that. I am an orphan myself. I know what poverty tastes like. I have been helpless. I have begged. My family will never look down on anybody. Not before, not now, not ever. My dear, please forgive us. Forgive my son. Allow us love you just the way you deserve, please.
I'm sorry, Franca. I never knew that you had to pass through all of that. But believe you me, I will never hurt you. I can never hurt you, Franca. I didn't lie to you. I just hid my identity because everyone that comes around me comes for what they can get from me, not for who I am. I wanted to find someone that could really see me. and you saw me. I'm sorry.
My dear, please forgive him. Please. For peace sake, please.
I forgive you.